Come test drive the 2020 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, bucket seats, child safety locks, MP3 player. Come see the car for yourself.